Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I'm going to be doing a beginner lesson in alcohol inks. So let me just go ahead and tell you what we're using. I am using the Pinata colors. I have 4 of them. I have the Senorita Magenta, the Sunbright Yellow, Passion Purple, and Chili Pepper. So I was trying to go bright and different than my usual blues. So we're going like red, yellow, and purple. I do use a little bit of the alcohol blending solution just because I had never used it and I wanted to see how it worked. And I am using 91% alcohol. So I'm using a full sheet of the Yupo paper. It is 9 by 12 inches. And first I just sprayed it really quickly with some alcohol from a spray bottle. And then I am just putting drops down and I'm going to start moving it around. So I want to cover the whole entire paper. Maybe next time I'll leave some negative space. But this time I wanted a solid, just colors everywhere because I'm kind of making it like a garden with all the bright blossoms. Because right now we're doing the alcohol ink, but we're also going to do on part 2, we're going to do some markers and make some blooms. And so yeah, this is a 2-parter. And right now this is real time, but it kind of lingers on, so it's really interesting to do it. It's mesmerizing, but I'm not sure you guys want to sit here for 20 minutes while I play with the alcohol inks. So you build up the layers. So I get some down and then I use the dryer to dry it a little bit, move it around, and then I start to get concentrated colors in certain areas. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys like what you're seeing, so you'll get notifications on the regular. And part 2 will be up tomorrow. And that really helps my channel out to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So in a little while I'm going to start cutting parts out that are just redundant. So it took me about 20 minutes to do all of this, and then it was sitting here, and every time I walked by it I would stop for about 30 seconds or a minute and mess with it. I kept messing with it. It's just so much fun. It's just like, ooh, what if I did this, just the same. So at the end I will show you a picture of how it looks after I stopped messing with it. So, but I would say all in all I messed with it for about 30 minutes total. So it's fun to play around with the color and just learn the medium that you're messing with. So whatever that is, you've got to play with it and learn what it does, how it does it, different techniques. So that is what we are doing. So, all right, well, I'm going to put some music on and let y'all just watch this and then come back tomorrow for the adding of the marker. All right, here it is, ready for part 2. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down into parts. It's getting really long. So next time we will be doing some black marker on top of it. We're going to do some flowers and leaves and stuff just to take it to the next level. So thank you guys so much for watching, and watch out for part 2. It'll be here tomorrow. So make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload it. Be inspired.